Alrighty, y'all boys. So today we're gonna be doing press on nails, and I'm gonna be following the instructions that are on the back. I already busted it open, as you can see. But what I'm about to do first is cut my nails, clean my cuticles, and all that good stuff. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be pushing back my cuticles with this wooden stick. And those of you who know me, which is probably none of you, but those of you who know me know that I've always loved doing my nails. It's one of my hobbies since I was a kid, and I would always give myself cute little designs and stuff. I don't know, I really had got into it, but I never learned acrylic, and I've recently discovered these press-ons, and so I'm learning how to do press-on nails. And this is a very Dollar Tree friendly tutorial. I absolutely love Dollar Tree. Everything, these nails, I got them from Dollar Tree. So yeah. So then I'm gonna use my cuticle cutter to cut these. After I push them back and get these smoothed out, then I'm gonna file my nails, and then we're gonna get started into the press-ons. Oh, I know y'all see all that dust from my cuticles, but now I'm just gonna file them. I saw in a tutorial that just filing this part of your nail, help protect it when you put on the nail glue and stuff. So the nails that I'm using today are the Kiss. Like I said, I got this from Dollar Tree. I was like, ooh, let me check it out. And it is black short. So I'm just gonna file my nails to get it smooth and soft, and then begin to press them on. And like I said, this is a very Dollar Tree friendly video. Okay, because we are on a budget. We're in our bag this summer, so and y'all, this is gonna be rough because I'm doing this on my iPad, and I don't got no stand or nothing, so it just propped up in the corner. Dang, I just realized y'all can't see none of this, so I'm just edit this out. And then the light is on the other side. I'm gonna try different things. You wanna test to see which size nail works best. And these come with the numbers, which is very helpful. So you just put them aside. And you pick out. Alrighty, so now we're gonna I've set aside all of the ones that I'm gonna be using, and then now we're just gonna press it on. So the instructions say to apply 1 drop to the nail and 1 drop to the natural nail, and then press on for about 3 to 10 seconds. Okay. So this lady sprayed a whole bunch of Febreze, so she got me coughing. Index. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is what I'll be using next. So Dollar Tree actually does sell nail glue, the Kiss nail glue, for $1. Y'all, if you don't like Dollar Tree, you better get on it with the quickness. Okay, because Dollar Tree is where it's at. You heard it here first. just press. If some excess glue does come out, try not to touch it. And just continue to press, and when it dries, you can just pull it off because it does stick to your skin rather quickly. Okay. And I am gonna file the top of these because it does feel a little bit rough. Your next nail. Ready? So I'm just testing to make sure that, because I'll work and I need these to stick, okay? Alrighty, so this is the finished product. I did file them down off camera, and as you see, there is like excess glue. But you know, this is for beginners, so we're both learning, okay? Help me, help you, sis. Help us. So drop some recommendations of what color I can do next. I do have personalized press-on nails where I can just paint the colors on. I'm gonna be learning how to do gel soon. I'm gonna buy my lamp, all that good stuff. So yes, holla at your girl. Let me know how I did, what you want to see next, and have a blessed one.